Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you're ready with your books Fly High Grade 5 and now we are on chapter 10, Water We Love You. So we all know how precious, how important water is and we cannot imagine life without water, right? In this poem, the poet describes the importance of water and how we can save it. Every drop is precious. Let's read the poem to find out the ways we can save water and stop the wastage. So before this, we have an activity. This glass represents all the water on earth. The colors and the measures indicate how water is distributed on the earth. Study the picture carefully and answer the following questions. So they have given us this. With this, the diagram, we need to answer the questions. Okay, so before I start the poem, can you tell me the ways we can save water? Right, we should not waste water. I mean, if we are washing our hands, we should immediately close the tap. Yes, next. Yes, even while brushing, the tap should not be on. We should always close it. And yes, rather than having a shower, we should use a bucket for taking baths. So there are many ways. Very good. You all know about it. Now let's read the poem. Without food, we would cry, but without water, we would die. See, we all can survive without food. Not for a longer period, but still, if you do not get food, we can manage. But survival without water is very difficult, right? We cannot remain thirsty. Away it will go if we do not take care. So now, if we do not take care of water, there will be no water on the earth. It will go away, it will be finished. Then water in a bottle, how much can we share? So he says that if you have stored some water in a bottle, with how many you can share and for how many days you can have it. Have a birthday party, have all your fun, enjoy, have birthday parties, but then make sure throw the rubbish in the garbage, do not in the garbage, not the ocean. So the poet says that you enjoy your life, enjoy your birthday parties, but then always remember to throw the garbage in the dustbin and do not litter in the oceans or seas. Rivers take us here, oceans take us there. So, it is, through we have those water transport. So they make us help, they take us from one place to another. If you and I don't for water, who will care? So the poet says, if we do not take, if neither you nor I take care of water, who will help us in saving water? And without water, there is no survival. Could someone write a letter to every factory and mill? So the poet says that is there anybody who can, apprise the factory owners that your effluent, your waste that is coming out and spoiling, the quality of water, they are creating pollution. Is there anybody who can stop them? To tell their owners to all the oil in the seas not to spill. So all the effluent that comes out should not go in the sea because it gets it makes the water polluted and contaminated. If clean water and clean oceans we children cannot reach, I think for all the adults we should close down every beach. So the poet says that if we as children cannot keep put in efforts to make water pure, clear, to save water, then, we should then all the adults we should close down every beach. So that it is our responsibility. It is a young generation who has to take care of it. Otherwise, the water supply would not be there. There would be no beach, no seas, no oceans. So the poet is really angry. While washing your hands, don't leave the water on, as I said, or very soon all washing water may be gone. Without water, we all would die of thirst. So as I said, we cannot survive without water, we will die. And the heart of Mother Nature will then surely burst it out of anger, it will come out, it will show its anger. So if we do not save water, if we do not, take care of the God's creation, then even the Mother Nature will get angry and it will get burst, it will get annoyed. If you have some ideas, share if they are nice. So if you have some ideas that, helps us to keep the water clean and if we can save them, you should share. Or you can just have no water. It's finally your choice. Either you start saving water or, there will be a day where there will be no water. So it is completely your choice what kind of situation you want to face. Salt water drops are plenty. The clean ones are few. See, The salty water is in plenty, the oceans, the seas, the water is salty. You know, dirty water is present everywhere, but the purest form of water is really in scanty. No, now we children must decide what we want to do. So now it is our responsibilities, what we do, what we have to do, and how we have to go about. So that was a beautiful message shared by Tarsan Mamin. So now let's come to the question answers. The exercise is choose the word opposite to the meaning of neglect. So which is the word opposite to neglect? It is opposite. Okay. Care. Which words means the same as fair? Right. Nice. Based on the extract, we need to answer. We would cry without food, but we would die without water. Where should we throw the garbage? So where should we throw? Yes, we should throw the waste in the dustbin. If you do not take care, water will be finished. Absolutely. Write the rhyming word of care from the extract. It is, I think, share. We have the word share. Yes, share. Next, take the correct option. Where should we not throw the rubbish? We should not throw the rubbish neither in the rivers nor in the oceans. Which water drops are available in plenty? Salty water. Fill in the blanks. Dash take us here and dash takes us there. Oceans and seas. We should not have the water on while washing our hands. The heart of Mother Nature would then surely burst in anger. If you have some ideas, share it if they are nice. So next we have the question answers. What would happen to all of us if there is no water left? So that would be a very, very bad situation. If there is no water on earth, we will definitely dry. The plants will not be able to grow. The animals too will not have water to drink. So that would be a very miserable situation if we get into it. What does the poet tell us about having birthday parties? So the poet says you enjoy the birthday parties, you have fun, you have all kinds of, fun and entertainment, but then always remember to throw the garbage in the dustbin. How do we know that the poet wants to be strict with the parents? So these lines tells us, if clean water and clean oceans we children cannot reach, I think for all the adults we should close down every beach. So with these lines we get to know that the poet wants to be strict with the parents. Why would the heart of Mother Nature burst? So why would the Mother Nature burst? See, if you do not take care of God's creation, if you do not save water, if you do not take care of your nature, then the Mother Nature will definitely burst out in anger, and then the repercussions would be really, really bad. Next, according to the poet, who should take control of the future of water? Okay, so the poet says that the young children, the youth should take proper precautions. They should look for the means and ways to stop wastage and to store water. Will this help? Yes, definitely this will help, because it is the coming generation who will take care of everything. So it starts from you, it starts from me, right? So that was all about the poem. Hope you all loved it. Read it once again. Again, it is a message. It has given us a message to save water. Water is precious. So read the poem once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.